So yeah, so here we can see here what I added here, whatever we created yesterday. So we just added this with parameters. With parameters. Why we are creating with parameters? So dynamically you have to enter the currency. So this is currency. So WAERK is the currency, sales document currency. And this is date. Okay. Why we are giving date and currency? So let me execute. Okay. So execute, you will come to know. So once you execute, so what is the currency? For example, in the source, you have a different currencies. In the source, you have a different currencies. Okay, USD. Your business is having in the worldwide, it is having different currencies. Okay, ruble. Okay, like this, we having multiple currencies. So whatever you entering, so it will convert to only all USD. Okay. If you are giving Europe, so all your source currency will convert into Euro. If you give INR, so all your source currencies, all currencies will convert into INR based on date. So today, what is the exchange rate for the dollar? So we have some exchange rate tables. Today, what is the rate of exchange rate? Based on that, it will calculate the currency and it will display the amount. Okay, if you go Google and you can see the exchange rates. So you go to here, you can see many. Okay, you can see many exchange rates as well. Go here, exchange rates. See here, what is the exchange rate? What is the exchange rate? You can give anything. So it will display, right? For 1 rupee equal to 0.012 United States. If you give, okay, let me do reverse. See, $1 equal to 86. So 86.75 daily it will be constant, right? Constant, huh? No. So every day it will change. One day it will come 85. One day it will come 84. One day it will go 88. So based on the date, it will calculate and it will give the exchange rates. Okay. See, this is called exchanges. That is the reason. So we are passing here. Okay. You are going to convert Europe or you are going to convert USD, enter it and give the date. Date always in, see, I will give wrong. Okay. I will give like this. So it is not enabled. It is not enabled. It is showing enter a valid value, enter a valid value, p date value format is YYYMM. So it is calling me enter 2025 0101. So then only it is available. Open data preview. So here you can see here. What is our fields? Sales order, land one, sales are Kunnar, VTech, sales organization text, and created date, calendar year, works network. So these two are just now we added. Okay. So all currencies are converted into USD. So even if you put filter also, so quick filter and INR. Okay. See here, INR it is displaying in. Now you can see INR displaying in USD. It is converted. Okay, 28,014 rupees. It is $600 based on the conversion rate. Are you getting me? So if you give any currencies, so like this it will come. Okay, remove and you can whatever you give currency, it will display. Okay, now we'll try again. Execute. This is what currency conversion. So this is very important. They will ask you in BW side or CDS view side or SAP HANA side, what is the currency conversion? Okay. Now I will give euro. I'll give euro. So we need to do give 2025 0101. See, for this on that day, it will convert it. See here. Our target currency is Europe. See, what is 2940 is 2708. So just go and search it. Okay, here you enter it. What is the Europe? Europe currency. Can you see here? Go here in the sequence. Euros. Okay, what is the value here? 2707. Okay, we'll see 2707. How much it came? Oh, this much, 29409, right? But it is converted to dollars, not rupee. Okay, just convert into dollar. Where is the dollar? Okay, no, it is converting different way. Again, okay, by default it is showing exchange rate from USD to Euro. I'll show you, okay. And I will give dollars. What is dollar? 2940. 2940. I'll remove this. How much it came? Around approximately this much only. See here? Okay, it is calculating. Okay, around, okay, based on the rate. So I given old date, right? Maybe that day, this is the calculation happened. So like this, you can calculate. Okay, so now our currencies, you can take INR also. Go here and you can take INR and you can calculate that also. Okay, we don't have any values for INR. Okay. So like this is the conversion, currency conversion happening. So what we did in the currency conversion happened. So we are giving this with parameter. With parameter, we already seen previous classes, and we are just given P underscore means parameter. For our naming convention, I given. Current means that is currency. So what is the currency field? WAERK and comma and second parameter P underscore date. So this is created date. So I am giving year that. So as usual same thing. From which table ZI underscore sales order. So whatever we have same CDS views we done it. And what we extra we done it. See here. Semantic currency code true. Okay, this is already there. Okay, whatever we mentioned parameter, right? Parameter P underscore cur. Whatever we given above. Okay, whatever we given above. P underscore cur. Same thing only we are giving here. Okay, parameter dot cur as a new currency. So new currency you can see right here. You can see right new currency. So it is displaying. Because currency conversion you have to see in the one separate column, right? So this is the source currency, and in the source level we have a USD and also INR, USD and INR. So it has to convert into one currency only. It will not display multiple currencies. So that is the way defined as a new currency. We give a new column, new currency. You can give any name, user defined, as your wish. Okay, so whatever you are dynamically assigning P currency, I mean you given year, right? That will display into the same that currency only under this column. And again semantic amount currency. However, we did for here, same way we need to do this one. Semantic amount currency code, new currency. Okay, for this new currency only we are doing. Aggregation is we are doing summation by default. Same thing. Okay, finally, this is currency conversion amount. What is the amount field here? This is the amount field, net value. Amount field, amount. See here, this is the code we need to give, equal and greater than. And source currency. What is the source currency? Okay, we having multiple currencies. Okay, source, WAERK. Under this field, we having multiple currencies. You can see it. WAERK, right? Right click and you can go distinct values. So here you can see multiple currencies, right? Under this. That is only system will understand. Go here, close. Okay. So source currency. Maybe today you have two currencies. Okay. Once you expand your business multiple countries, so you will have multiple transactions in different currencies. So that time this field only will bring all currencies. And target currency. What you are going to do target currency. So whatever you are entering, right, currency. So P underscore target currency means what? Go to here and execute this data preview. Okay, so here you are entering, right? You are going to convert all currencies into INR. So this is only you are passing it. Okay, so you are different currencies to, so your currency you are converting. Okay, this is will help you. Exchange rate. So what is the dollar rate for today? What is the dollar rate for particular date? Whatever you mentioned date. So that will pick from T underscore date, and that it will display as a new amount. So here you can go and you can see it. New amount, separate column it will display and display in new currency and display in new amount. So this is converted currency. This is converted amount. Okay, understood? Huh? So like this we need to add. And we need to add this currency conversion. Just remember this. This is not a rocket science. Just give currency conversion and amount. We are defining amount. Already we have a amount, right? Network. So this is source currency. Okay, this is target. You are going to convert into your flexible currency, right? And this is exchange rate. And finally, we are giving as a name, new amount. Now you can activate and execute it. That's it. We added only this line and these parameters per currency conversion. So this is very important. They will ask you currency conversion in SAP HANA and BW4 HANA and also in CDS views. Then you don't say no. I did it currency conversion in the same manner. You can do it. So right click and you can execute. Okay. Okay. You can give INR 2025-0101. See now it will convert into INR. It will convert into INR. One currency only. Okay, here for INR no need to convert it, right? I will display only INR. I'll see. See here. See, it is not converting, right? INR already is there. So it is not going to convert. Same amount it will display. Only for USD only it will convert it. Okay, put it USD. So you can check it like no USD 2940 and this is 13726. Okay, let me check in $294 from INR to, okay, INR to, okay, USD. Okay, what is the amount India currency? 137268. 137268. See, approximately something. 137268. This is correct, huh? Not sure. Based on the date, it is executing, huh? Today date. Let me try calculation. What is the today dollar rate? One three. Okay, sorry. We are converting into, we are converting dollars into INR, right? 2940. 2940. 2940 into what is your dollar rate? For example, approximately 85 will give. How much it came? 2,49,000. One three. This is wrong. So exchange rate is wrong in the system. They mention like no like no exchange rates wrong. So they will maintain the backend tables. We have a few tables in the S4 HANA. I'll show you. Okay, let me go back. We have a few tables in the S4 HANA. Those are relevant to exchange rates. Okay, you can see. Okay. Based on that, it will calculate it. Go to S11. So Tker, you can go Tker table and here see where is exchange rate type. You can see here and go to execute. Okay, the table name itself you can see here. Exchange rates. Execute and you can see it. Okay, execute. So based on this date only, it will calculate. Okay, you can see here what is the currency MM. This is standard currency MM, and this is Japanese from currency target currency. I think this is date. Okay, whatever we mentioned that date, it is not there. How many entries are there total? We'll see. Okay, 2013. Okay, our currency is INR. Okay, sorry. Our currency is USD. Target currency is INR. Execute, how many entries are there? Four entries. What is the date given it? They given, so they given not proper date, okay? So that is the way. If they mention proper date, based on that it will convert, okay? They given 85 or 46 some rate, okay? Based on this, it will calculate, okay? So they did not maintain properly. That is the reason it is coming like that. The date itself wrong. GDATU. See here, this is only right we are looking for. 8 length. This is care, okay? This is date actually. So they didn't maintain it properly. So we are looking for only this one, right? We are converting INR to USD to INR. USD to INR. They did not maintain properly. So that's why we are facing this issue. Wrong amount. So like this it will come. So remember this point. So while you are telling in the interview also, while you are working with currency conversion, we have to work with this table as well. So basically, who will maintain this currency table and all? Finance consultant, they will maintain it. Who is finance consultant? FI consultant, they will maintain it. We will not responsible for this. Okay, finance consultant, they will maintain every day or weekly ones. Mostly, I think every day they will maintain it through. Okay, they will give you one file. They will give you one file as per my knowledge. FI consultant provide the file to the ABAP. ABAP. They will execute on program and update them. Update in taker table. Through program, they will update. Okay, like this, they will follow steps. So based on the exchange rates and date, it will convert and we will get the data here. Okay. Just to go through it, this currency conversion, very important. Okay. In out of 10 interviews, they will ask you 5 or 6 interview questions. Okay. We just added only this with parameter. With parameter here that. Okay. And here we just added only currency conversion. Just amount and source currency work, target currency and exchange rate. Okay. So like this, we need to do it. So we'll see tomorrow consumption CDS view and then we'll go back to our BW. Then we'll go back to BW. So I need to cover many options in BW as well. So in BW, we need to do currency conversion. Okay, RKF, CKF, and filters. Okay, and also structures, how to create structures in the report level and complete complete provider. We need to create one daily sales report, and we need to bring data from S4 HANA to BW4 HANA, BW4 HANA. And we need to create few records and we need to get the delta records. Okay, through ODQman. Okay, okay, we'll see all these things next. Okay, complete provider and open ODS view, and how we will consume data from SAP HANA to BW4 HANA, how we will consume data. And we'll see all other options. Oracle data, how we can get, SQL data, how we will get it, BW4 HANA. That options we'll see. Okay, only this consumption I will cover. And next we'll jump into same as it is BW4 HANA. So whatever you need clarification, we'll discuss. Okay, info object. Again, I will repeat all options, areas, source. I'll repeat while you are creating daily. So complete provider. Okay, and calculation views. Calculation views will create and will use into complete provider. How to enable navigation attribute. So you can cover your interview for three subjects, SAP HANA and S4 HANA and SAP BW4 HANA. You can answer it after going through all these classes. Okay? Okay, na? So we'll connect tomorrow, okay? For this consumption view. Okay, bye.